These plastic flat tapes are woven into a zigzag mesh. This is the split film processes to make shade netting. First, workers mix HDPE pellets with black masterbatch, then melt the mixture at high temperature. The melted polyethylene is then extruded through the annular die of the film blowing machine. The freshly blown plastic film expands and stretches like a balloon. Several cooling pipes keep blowing air into the film to cool it down. After cooling, the full-width film is fed into the slitting machine. A row of evenly spaced blades cuts the film into flat tapes of the same width. These slit plastic tapes then pass through 90-degree Celsius preheating rollers to release internal stress and prevent shrinkage or deformation during later use. These tape rolls are mounted onto 200 to 500 multi-end creels on the knitting machine. They pass through yarn guides and are fed together into the warp system. Then the knitting machine brings in the weft yarns, interlacing them with the warp yarns to form a zigzag mesh. They are separated with a heated metal rod. This is a special hot cutting rod for shade net production. It cuts through the thermoplastic netting while sealing the edges at the same time. Finally, the cut net panels are edge-stitched with high-strength polyester thread on an overlocking machine. And that is how a strong and durable shade net is made.